of Tondo, Manila. Hi! Hello! Hep, hep! Hooray! Saan ka punta? Road trip! It has been a long time that we've been fighting for fairness and equality. And tonight, there may be a lot of hindrances for that fairness to be observed. However, it is also a living testament that no matter what happens, we will still continue to thrive for what we are fighting for, regardless if even inside the LGBT community, fairness is not observed. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be a proof that we will always be part of what you called society. Na imbag, na pintas, kaya naragsak, narabi, kada tayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening, people of the land, to our distinguished and honorable panel of judges, ma'am, sir, and to all the people who are watching tonight, magandang gabi po. 2-year-old Stunner taking Bachelor's of Degree in Tourism Management in one of the most prestigious universities in my province, the Finmayupang College of Urdaneta. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Emil Venus Tukay, and for this evening, hayaan niyo pong mag-iwan ako ng mga katagang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa, na kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ang antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. Lagi nating tatandaan na lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata, ang ating pisikal na kaanyuan at ang ating kayamanan pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal at kaligayahan na handa mong ibigay sa iyong kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman ay hindi mawawala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, ako lang po ang nag-iisang Ilochanang kandidata ngayong gabi. Ngunit hayaan ninyo na makarating ako sa dulo ng patimpala at patutunayan ko sa inyo na kailanman, kahit numero 1 ka, kaya mong lumaban ng patas. And for this evening, I am very much proud and dignified to wear an authentic costume inspired by the Ibon-Ibon Festival of Candaba, Province of Pampanga. Agiyamanak, Tondo, Manila.
Once again, judges, candidate number 2.
Ngayong pong gabi, wala pong mamamatayan at wala rin pong masusunugan ng bahay. Pahingin naman po ng inyong masigabong hiyawan at palakpakan. Tonight is a celebration of beauty, diversity, and inclusivity. Hi, hello, and mabuhay. This is Hans Barceliano, who truly hails all the way from the majestic Mayon Volcano, the beautiful province of Bicolanja. And I always believe that the national costume is not how big, how beautiful and extravagant the costume is, but it's on how you give life to the costume are wearing tonight. My national costume is indeed inspired of the mythology, Phoenix Bird. At ngayong pong gabi, bakit na ninyo po subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-isang tunay na kawangis ni Miss Katrina Halili. Catherine Halili po na nag-iwan ng kasabihang hindi po bastos, bagkus, kapupulutan natin ng aral. Na mahirap pong magpakababae kung hindi po tayo tunay na babae. At mahirap rin pong magpakalalaki kung hindi po tayo tunay na lalaki. Pero ang pinakamahirap po ay ang magpakatao kung hindi po tayo ituturing at nilarespeto bilang isang tao. Diyos, mabalos sa Indogabos. Thank you so much.
Guys, focus na lang tayo sa panonood.
Maayong pabanging kayuan, or should I say, a pleasant evening to each and every one of you. Standing here before you is a fresh 21-year-old stunner, hailing all the way from province of Zambales. My name is Aubrey Martin. Greetings to you all. Mabuhay. Thank you so much.
Pag ako hindi lagpag ng
Dahil maganda ako, kaunta,
summer,
sexy
sa
ako,
Maya J lang.
kaunta. Palakpakan naman po kayo, kaunta. Dagdagan niyo pa po, kaunta. At hiyawan, kaunta. Salamat po, kaunta.
Ito na.
Are we talking about national and cultural costume? Well, I guess this is part of our culture because my national costume that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by our dream weavers of Tibuli woman in Muslim Mindanao that symbolizes strength and personal growth. Ako po si Summer Jane, 18 years old. All the way last from the Manila's northeast edge, Santa Mesa, Manila.
Sige, comment akin.
But for tonight, allow me to carry the image of your girl, which is a little bit of a little bit of sexy, and a little bit of glamour. The girl who captured the heart of Mr. Jake Cuenca. Yes, ako nga po ang nag-iisang kamukha ni Miss Chi Filomeno.
Sige, lahat na maglalag comment para.
Miss Chi Filomeno na nagsasabing nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. Magandang gabi po and happy fiesta, Don Bosco. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
Wow, so many people and so many smiles. Thank you to the panel board of judges, to the organizer, and to the people of Tondo, Manila. Good evening. When people of the world are sitting, I will be the one who's standing. And when people of the world are standing, I will be the one who stand out. And when people of the world seems in theirs to be stand out, I'll make it a sure and make it a point. I will be the standard. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mom and sir, kamusta po kayo? Standing in front of you is a 25-year-old. I came from Angeles City, province of Pampanga. My name is Christine Marie Coronel in my real life. At opo, minsan nyo na po akong napanood sa GMA Channel 7 as your Super Serena, Super Grand Finalist Worldwide Philippines in Itbulaga. Ladies and gentlemen, ako po ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Jericho Rosales. Minsang nagbigay aliw sa buhay ni Mr. Dieter Ocampo. At ako rin po ang babaeng lumuhod sa altar at nagsabing I do kay Oyo Boy Soto. Behold and witness, cause eye-catching beauty and this captivating body, none other than Miss Christine Hermosa. Na siya pong nagsasabing, kapag may banderitas,
May fiesta.
ay, may fiesta. Kaya naman, Kapitan, Mayor, Hermana, Konsehal, labang pakain dyan. Char. Ladies and gentlemen, the costume that I'm wearing for tonight is the Queen Philippine Flower Orchid inspired by Maria McKilling. I am your candidate number 5 saying good evening, enjoy the show, and I love you all. Viva Panday Pira! Viva Don Bosco! Viva Tondo, Manila! Thank you!
Thank you so much, candidate number 5, Christine Marie Coronel, also known as Christine Hermosa.
Guys. Flower 360.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan?
dyan. Thank you so much. When you were born, you are crying, and people around you are smiling. Live your life to the fullest. So when you die, people around you are crying, and you are the one who's smiling. My name is Mikay Bautista, just only 19 years old stunner, but truly all the way last from the rising city, San Jose del Monte, province of Bulacan. And yes, I am your Miss International Queen, Philippines, fourth runner-up. And I'm very proud and humble to say, because I am your recently crowned Queen Philippines, Queen International. But tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, your Miss Universe Philippines 2020. Yes, I am your Miss Rabia Mateo. Miss Rabia Mateo na nag-iwan ng kasabihan, hindi bastos, ngunit inyong kapupulutan ng aral, na ang taong nagmamataas ay siyang ibinababa at ang taong nagpapakumbaba ay siyang itinataas. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 6, Miss Rabia Mateo.
Go, Karen!
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. In this world that everyone wants to be Maria Osawa, allow me to be your Maria Clara. It's just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, may ganding gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old sinner, and I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibex, first runner-up, and I am very proud to say, because I am once of the pride of Tondo, Manila, where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Welcome to my hometown. I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Paolo Abilino. I am your Chinita Princess. Ako po ang tunay na kawangis ni Binibining Kim Chu. And I always believe, si bis, amare, amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 7. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. At ako po ang sumisimbolo sa tunay na gandang Pilipina. Salamat po.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 7 is Miss Karen Montecillo, also known as Miss Kim Chu.
Kung kasalanan ho ang pagiging bakla, humihingi ho ako ng kapatawaran. Ngunit kung ngiti at siraman po ang aming hatid, maaari ho ba akong makahingi ng isang masigabong palakpakan? Salamat po. Di ba sa ating mundong ginagalawan kailanman, ay hindi ho naging pamantayan kung gaano ka man kapangit o kung gaano ka man kaganda. Hindi ka man nabiyaan sa iyong pisikal na kaanyuan, huwag kang mabahala, aking kaibigan. Dahil ang tunay na timbangan ng Diyos ay kung gaano kabusilak ang iyong puso at kung gaano kalinis ang iyong konsensya. Harapin natin ang panglalait ng ilan dahil bukas makalawa, gagamitin natin tong sandata upang harapin ang hamon ng buhay. What a glamorous and spectacular evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen. A girl here before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 23 years old stunner who truly all the way from the fascinated, majestic way, beautiful places, from the home of the brave, Tondo, Manila. This is your favorite Latina goddess. I am Queen Bolong, who proud to say that I am your Itbulagas, Super Serena Grand Finalist, Queen of Topaz. But tonight, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only girl. I am the woman who give pride to the Philippines. The most beautiful Bini-Bini, Miss Gazini Ganados, na nag-iiwan ho ng isang kasabihan o isang katotohanan na sa mapuputi ho nila mga balat, magagandang mukha na pinagpepiestahan ng grupo ng kalakihan. Ngayong gabi, sama-sama po nating baguhin ang pamantayan ng kagandahan. Ang ganda ng iilan, sexy ng karamihan, tatapatan, papantayan, minsan pa nga po hihigitan ng taong nasa inyong harapan. Dahil lagi niyong tatandaan, balat kung manaitim, huwag niyong mamaliitin. Dahil sa gitong ori ng patimpalak, tiyak may negrang tatatak. And I welcome you all to my humble abode. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 8, Miss Gazini Ganados. Once again,